Another one. Another road one again. I'm driving, right? And I see this van, and he had a red flag, and he was like just waving the flag and laughing. So I never knew he was stopping me. I'm like, okay, cool, whatever. So me drive gone out. Now this road, if I ever show you this road, it's the road I'm driving on now. That's why I remember this one. This road, hey, sometimes only one car can drive on the road, one car. So when I reach up the road, me hear a pump, pump. You know those trucks, the flatbeds, but it's a huge flatbed, and it was carrying a huge tractor on it. I don't know, I think it's a bulldozer, but it's one of those really broad ones. And they say on the front it's a wide load and whatever. Nothing, it could barely fit on the road. It was hitting down bushes to the side and whatever. But when I saw it, God is so good that I saw it when, and it'll come fast, you know. It man never drive slow. See, right now I have to be stopping because a car is coming and two cars can't hold. Well, we're going. Two cars can't hold on this road at one time. Anywho, at the same time that this truck is blazing around the corner, I'm like, yeah, carry all of that in here, please. I was able to just come. There was a perfect, when I say perfect, there's a perfect soft shoulder. And I was able to just slip over into that soft shoulder. And I'm like, God, you're so good. Even when we disobey, right? Even when we are disobedient, He still provides a way so we're not getting in trouble. And I'm like, you're so awesome. You're just so awesome, honestly. I wanted to share that testimony. I said the trucker come down the road at a speed there. I'd be dead, honestly. And it's a huge truck, and you know trucks can't really just stop like a car. Even sometimes your car can't just stop, much less. But yeah, God just, He has a funny way of preparing and being like, don't do that again. I'm gonna just love Him for it, trust me. So be encouraged. Have a good day. Let's listen and follow the red flags in the sense of heed, right? So heed to the red flags, so that it's not a situation where God have to rescue you every minute. All right, bye. Have a good one.